Hey, my name is Loren and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing our August box of BoxyCharm. Yes, so make sure you continue watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you ring that bell so that way you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks, bye. Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing our BoxyCharm. Yes, so this is actually the August box. I just started this subscription in August. It's only $25 or $27. I can't exactly remember, but either ways, it's $25 to $27. And I actually started this back in August, but since I'm just now starting my YouTube channel, I waited specifically to unbox it with you guys. So let's check out. Let's see what's inside the box. It comes in this cute packaging. It's a cute little box. Inside it has a little stuffing in it so that way it doesn't get damaged. And then with this packaging, since it's $25 to $27, it comes with 5 full-size products. And then they give you a little card here where it lists everything, and I'm not sure if you can see that, the sun is so bright, and the MSRP, and yeah. So in the August box we got the QMS Medicosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. It's a light sheer, color adaptive cream with vitamins. Helps to blur imperfections to revealably glowing even skin. The combination of a skin perfecting light tint and hydrating formula makes this an ideal day cream. And the MSRP is $105. So this is what it looks like. Oh, there it goes. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It has a pump on it. I'll be honest, I'm not really big on getting skincare products from any of these subscriptions because I have such oily skin. A lot of I feel products work with either combination skin or dry skin. I haven't found like a really good product for oily skin that actually like mattifies and stay mattified. But then again, maybe I just haven't found it just yet, but so far I haven't found it. So it comes in a pump and you just do a little squirt. So I just did a little dollop like that. Ooh, so I can already tell this this is going to be way too light for it to be like a tinted moisturizer. It's also another thing too with tinted moisturizers or BB creams. I have a golden undertone. Most people either have a red undertone or a yellow undertone, but yellow is like too ashy for my skin, and if I go red then I look like I just got beat up. So I have to have a perfect in between. So sometimes I even combine yellow undertone foundation with a red undertone foundation and combined it so that way it'll match me. But I'm a golden undertone and it's really hard to find products that have a golden undertone. So this, I hope you can see that, the sun's kind of bright, but this is actually like way too bright. But I'm also two-tone. The rest of my body is darker than what my face and upper body is. So maybe I could possibly use it. I don't know. But it's also very creamy, and like I said, I'm not really big on creamy products simply because I have such oily skin. So yeah. But as you rub it in, the more sheer it gets too. So maybe we'll see if I can use that with something. Maybe if not, it'll be a great product for me to give to someone else. All right, so the next one we have here is the Cargo Nude Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette. So that's going to be this. There you go. So that's it. So it's a combination of 9 neutral matte and shimmer eyeshadows to complement and define your eyes. This travel-friendly palette is perfect for a beautifully enhanced everyday look, and the MSRP for this one is $39.99. So let's check it out. Okay, so it's a lot of It's a lot of nude colors, so you got, on my camera it almost looks brown, but in person it looks quite black. And then this one is a brown, this one's it's actually a matte brown. And then you have like, these two are shimmery. Can you see that? The sun is kind of bright. And then you have some more neutral colors. We're actually, you know what? On the next video, we are going to try this, as we're going to be talking about our 90-day fiance the other way. We're going to create a good look with this one. I'm excited. So, the third thing that's on here in this box is Clarin's Velvet Lip Protector. Like this. But anyways, that's what this is. And it says it's Clarin's best-selling natural lip perfector, goes gold bold with a new matte finish. A liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented velvety finish with soft blur effect. Formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips hydrated for hours. And the MSRP for this is $26. So out of the box that it comes in, it looks like this. Okay, there you go. That's that. So when you open it, it actually has a very soft lip applicator, and then you just squeeze it. So I'm just like kind of test this on the back of my hand. So this is the shade. Ooh, the sun is going to be a killer for me. But yeah, that's the shade. So it's a really almost like wine color red. A little bit brighter than a wine, but it's pretty bright. And like I said, the applicator is like a soft, fuzzy applicator. So yeah, I like it. I like it. I'm not a big red person. I'm more of a brown when it comes to color in the lips. I really like the brown, but maybe there'll be the perfect outfit to go with this. So we'll see what other outfits we can make. The next thing that's on here is the Trestique, a matte for every mood mini matte lip crayon set. So 6 different colors in here. It says every shade of the mini matte lip crayons to match every one of your moods. Enjoy velvety buildable color and a weightless matte finish that lasts all day. These ultra soft matte lip crayons come in a petite size, making it perfect for on the go. Oh, making it perfect for on the go. MSRP for this is $58. So like I said, it comes with 6 different ones. Huh. This doesn't have a lid on it. Oh. I was saying like it doesn't have a lid because it's like a crayon. Like it's shaped like a crayon, but it's a case. That's just okay. That was my slow moment of the day. Okay. So the first color we have is Nantucket Nude, and that's this. There you go. So I'm gonna just swatch this on the back of my hand. Wow, this is really light. So that's what it looks like. There you go. So I'm gonna just show you what it looks like when you actually take the case off. It's just a little round like ball. So the next color is Florence Fig. So it's like a pinkish color, pinkish brownish color. So that's it. Okay. Wow, so the next color is Barcelona Bright Berry. So that is really pink, like it's not all the way hot pink, but it has a little bit, a tiny bit of a purple tint to it, but it's that color. It's really bright. You know what? Berry is the perfect name for it. It is like a berry color. So the fourth color is Chile Red. I like the name already. So that is going to be like your very, very bright red. And it's a pretty red. It reminds me of like a European red. It's really pretty. I think this is going to be brighter than the Clarin's Velvet Lip Perfector. Sorry. I think it's going to be a little bit brighter than that one. I'm going to swatch that. Actually, let's swatch it and see the comparison with the Clarin's and the Chile Red from Trestique. It's not that much of a difference to it. They actually are pretty close in color. Yeah, it's pretty close in color. It's just like a shade darker, if that. Alright, so the next color is Belize Bordeaux. So this one's like a deep wine berry color. And this is what it looks like. And it swatches like that. This one right here. This one actually is a little bit more pink than I expected it to come out. I kind of was expecting it to be a little bit more, because of the way the shades are, because you can even see the shade on the box. It's actually a little bit more pink than what, actually on my camera it's showing up a little bit more pinker than what I expected. But I thought it was going to be a little bit more dark purple wine. Alright, so the last color is Tucson Wine. I must say these little lipstick are very creamy and it's very easy to apply. So that was this one that we just applied. That one's actually really bright for the way it looks. You wouldn't think it would be that bright, but it's actually pretty bright. So yeah, that is the Trestique, a matte for every mood. And it's all 6 colors. And I like it too because on the back it even shows you like the different lips. And actually kind of explains it too. So yeah, I like this. I'm actually going to use that eventually. So the last thing that comes in the BoxyCharm box is the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eye Primer. So that's going to be the thank you next. I just put a little dollop right there. Ooh, it is really creamy. It glides really easy onto the skin. Kind of put it near my knuckles. Oops. But it kind of left a little bit of a white tint. I don't know. We'll try it out and see how it works. I'm giving everything a fair shot to show me how good it works. And then, you know, we'll see. Ooh, those lip shades come off pretty easy with a makeup wipe, specifically a Neutrogena makeup wipe. It comes off fairly easy. But yeah, so that's everything in our BoxyCharm box for August. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely go get your own BoxyCharm box. I'm not sure if all the boxes are just the same or they switch it up based on the profiles, but definitely make sure to go get yours. Thanks so much. Have a good one. Bye. Hey you guys, my name is Loren and welcome to my channel. Here on this channel we talk about makeup, we talk about hair, we talk about food, And also we'll discuss some of our favorite shows. One of our favorite shows right now that we are going episode by episode is 90 Day Fiancé the Other Way. So in case you haven't seen it, make sure you watch it and then come back and tune in with me so we can discuss it afterward. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you press that bell so that way you can get a notification every time I upload a video. Thank you so much. Enjoy my channel. Love you. Bye.